King Gordon Ryan.
So we're here. I'm about to send this Porsche to Calvo to get some more horsepower in it, but the tire's flat. So I am filling that up, and then we're going over to Calvo's to talk about how much horsepower we're getting. Calvo has had my downpipes for this for like a year and a half, and I just haven't gotten it to him. So downpipes on there. We'll see how much horsepower it thinks it's going to make. It's holding air, but it's not really, like it's going to go flat pretty fast. So hopefully duct tape will keep some there. And see if we're going to have to put the spare on, or if we can make it. The right back tire is at 42. This is at 17, holding at 17 right now. So we have an hour drive there in this disgusting Austin rush hour traffic. It'll be interesting. This will be down to 16 now. We'll probably have to fill it up again before we get there, or change the tire, but we'll see what we can do here. At 15 right now. We got 52 minutes to go. So we'll see. I'm hoping that duct tape doesn't fall off and it kind of just like adheres to the tire and kind of melts to it. The screw is kind of in there like sideways, so it's not flush to the rubber, so it's like you can hear it hissing the air out. Nicholas Marigali texts me and he's like, I want to add 100 more horsepower to my car, bump it up to 600, and I'm like, we can make it happen. This guy's got more of a flat tire than we do. We're at 13 now. We're under 50 minutes, so we are ready to go, baby. All right, so we're at 10 PSI here. So we're probably gonna drop under 10 soon. So I'm probably gonna find a place here with a shoulder before we get like on the highway to pull over and to put some air in this bad boy.
Suck this suck!
One of them liberals jealous I got a nicer car than him. A little bit of duct tape, a little tiny compressor, stolen from the Cadillac, and you're good to go.
Patched
We've
it?
effectively stopped the leak, I think, with duct tape.
Oh, really?
So that's how America does it, baby. 23 PSI. But I think I temporarily, effectively stopped the leak in the tire with like 25 layers of duct tape. This is the guy right here. He's gonna give us 12 billion horsepower in this thing. What's up?
What's up?
For these beauties. $3,000 wheel horsepower Viper right here. Need more money, guys. You should probably subscribe. So, what exactly are we doing to this Porsche?
So those are your downpipes right there. We're going to do downpipes on it, and then a nice little calibration for you.
Okay, so it should get like what, 80 wheel horsepower?
80 wheel, about 100, 120 foot-pounds of torque. Should be a fun little car.
Yeah, so it'd be like 435 to 535-ish horsepower.
We'll see. We'll put it on the dyno before, so
Shouldn't be terrible.
should be fun.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a quick before. We're gonna do before and after because it's getting downpiped. So we'll just do a quick exhaust note in sports mode or sport plus, whatever it is, and then we'll do before and after just so you guys can hear.
A few moments later.
All right, so we got this bad boy back. We're at Calvo's house. We're actually at his house right now. He dropped this off. I'm picking it up after training, and we have our downpipes and our tune done. He hasn't put on a dyno yet because he's been so busy, but it should have about 100 extra horsepower, which means it should be anywhere from like 530 to 550 horsepower at the crank. It's 435 stock, which it feels way faster than 435. With the technology that Porsche has, which is insane. But it should have about 100 extra horsepower just off of a tune and a downpipe, I'm pretty sure. They haven't made intercoolers yet for this, so I don't know why. It's a 2023. They should have intercoolers made for it, but they haven't. Perfect. So Calvo, his wife, just started up her, she's a Cayenne, which is like 800 horsepower. It's completely embarrassing me now that I'm thinking about it. We're finally finished with this. It should have about 530, 550 horsepower, somewhere around there. So let's take it for a ride, see how it handles. It definitely has a deeper growl to it. We'll do the side-by-sides. It doesn't have a cat back, it just has the downpipes. So I want it to be crazy loud, but it definitely sounds a little bit deeper now. So we'll see how it sounds when we're actually driving it at 800 miles an hour. All of my cars, I was telling Bryson, all of my cars are getting work done right now. My lift in my garage is like the hydraulic fluid reservoir is cracked. So whenever I take the lift down, it just leaks hydraulic fluid. So I can't get the vet down. The TRX is getting fixed. All my cars are just like not available right now. So this having this back is great. Once we get it warmed up, we'll do a little launch on it. Sounds good, though.
Does sound good.
See if we can do a little launch here. I won't do it. Gotta get warmed up a little bit more. Pretty quick. It's a noticeable increase in power. It's not, it's not like a plat or anything, but it's no slouch. All right, let's get it warmed up here before we do the launch. We'll do a little pull on the highway that's just up to the speed limit. Took the governor off of it too, so it's governed from the factory at 175. It should do more than that now, so it should just be hardware limited instead of software limited. Now we got low fuel for one pull. We did one pull, we got low fuel. Perfect. Here. Let's see.
Oh my god.
That launches way harder. You really get the feel for the horsepower increase on the launch. Wow. That launched like a Tesla. pretty cool. For such a simple and easy thing like downpipes in a tune, like you got a noticeable power upgrade just from that. Sounds a lot different, sounds a lot meaner, pulls harder up top, but I mean the launch is where it's at. So I mean I couldn't be happier, you know, with just, you know, a daily driver being this fun to drive around. So thank you to Calvo for doing this. Calvo tunes mostly Vipers, but he tunes Porsche, Vipers, Lamborghinis, Audis, and he's making big horsepower stuff. I think the Vipers he tunes from like 800 wheel to like 5,000 wheel horsepower. So if you guys are in Austin and you want high horsepower cars, Calvo may be the guy, especially if you want high horsepower Vipers. Calvo is definitely the guy. So thank you to Calvo Motorsports and the team for this downpipe and tune on this GTS, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.